Hey everybody, it's Todd Liles here with Service Excellence Training, and today I have a quick lesson for you, and it is going to be based upon what I refer to as the buyer's quadrant. The buyer's quadrant. What is the buyer's quadrant? Well, let me show you. All right. So, the buyer's quadrant refers to the way in which a buyer makes purchasing decisions. And it's easy to understand once you basically have two concepts in mind. Here's the first one. Speed. That's the first concept to keep in mind. And what you're going to find is that some buyers buy very slow, right? Takes them a long time to make a decision about purchases. Some buyers buy very fast. Woo! They're going to make a decision really, really quick. It's not going to take them too long to decide if they're going to make the purchase or not. They're fast buyers. So that is one axis point of this buyer's quadrant. Here's the next axis point. This next axis point I'm going to refer to as type. And the types are going to be two types. The first one is relationship. The second one's going to be task. So this is what you're going to find. Some people buy fast, some people buy slow. Some people buy based off task or the goal, if you will, and some people buy purely based off relationship. Now, what's interesting is you can begin to plot yourself on this quadrant and give a little reflection as to what that means for you. For the sake of example, I tend to buy mostly fast. That's my norm. Now, I wouldn't say I'm all the way over here. I'm more along the lines of somewhere there. And I also tend to buy based off the goal or the objective. So if I were to identify myself, I'm going to be in this upper quadrant. And I work really well with people that are in that upper quadrant, people that are quick thinkers, that make fast decisions based off an objective. Now, my wife is going to buy slower. She's more over here, and she actually tends to lean on both the task as well as the relationship. So for her, she needs a little bit of both. So she's what we would call a very slow buyer. But when she makes a decision, she is also a very long-term buyer. In other words, a long-term client. So when we're sitting in your shoes as a CSR, as a technician, as a comfort advisor, you have the unique and distinct challenge of having to work with people that are going to be in these quadrants. Some are going to be in the slow relationship position. Some are going to be in the slow task or give me information position. Some are going to be in the I move fast with information or I move fast with relationship position. And your challenge is to recognize the personality type and then to give that personality type the buying experience that is going to work best for them. Now, when you master this, your sales are going to exponentially increase, and you are going to avoid some of the challenges that a lot of salespeople face, which is trying to force the client to purchase in ways that doesn't make them comfortable, which ultimately leads to a no. When you master this, you are going to get more yeses. This is what we teach in all of our Press Play programs, from the CSR program to the Tech Series to the Sales Series. And yes, we even teach this in our Manager program so that managers can learn how to be better influencers over their people. If you would be interested in any of these programs to help you increase your personal success and to ignite your power within, then just let us know by clicking the link below.